Okay guys, welcome to Koh Samui. This beach is called Thongson Beach and is located in Thongson Bay, Koh Samui, Thailand. Normally a very beautiful beach, very secluded, not very many people around there, and nice blue water. This is just after a huge monsoon rainstorm, and as you can see, the ocean is not so nice. It's still okay. Beautiful sandy beach, a little dirty after the storm of course, but not too bad. Mostly just seaweed and stuff. But as you can see, they got sandbags there to prevent erosion, and yeah, it's the monsoon season. There's a hotel down here that seemed quite busy. Quite a few people sitting by the pool anyway. Some amazing places on the side of that hill. This is located down a private road. I don't know if you're actually allowed to drive down there or not. I did and didn't get in any trouble. The road takes you to the bungalows that are located on the other side of the restaurant. I'll show that in a minute. Beautiful places on the side of that hill, let me tell you. There's the hotel. I don't know the name. See the red flag going? No swimming. Quite a few people sitting around the pool. And this is about 12 o'clock, something like that. It does look alright, yeah? But it's not the Koh Samui blue water that you see in the pictures. You see those yellow places down the end? That's the bungalows. And there's a walking trail that goes around the cliff here to another secluded beach on the other side of that point. The floating buoys there, that's a designated swimming area, so the boats don't go inside there. This is from the restaurant on the corner. I have to say it don't look so bad in the video, but I didn't think it was very nice when I was there. Now this is from beside the yellow bungalows. It's a concrete walking path and then a lot of rocks. Some construction going on there and an awful lot of garbage. There's the secluded beach. You just go across the rocks there and down to the beach, I believe. But about halfway across the beach under the tree, there was a guy laying there naked. So I decided to leave him alone and not go to the beach. Rugged and rocky shore, which looks pretty nice to me. And here's the trail on the way back going by the bungalows. Interesting place. Too much garbage in my opinion, especially around the bungalows, which is very unfortunate. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.